SUV, the outside white, the inside brown like Michael Jack. More time man build a line and trap. Spend like I don't even like my stack. Imagine spending like you don't even like your stack, fam. Imagine spending that much money, blood. You get me? Visualize that one, manifest that one. Alright then. It's your boy Loma, you know what I'm trying to say, fam. I said, you know what I'm trying to say, fam. That's not even my intro. It's your boy Loma, you know what I'm saying. Little man grab, little man talk. Little man's got a reaction, you know what I'm trying to say, fam. That's the intro. I don't know how I ruined my own intro, fam. What's wrong with me today, fam? What is wrong with me? But anyway, though, people, we have got a banger reaction today, people. A banger. I know we've all heard Central C X Dave Sprinter, you know, the hottest tune of 2023, arguably. You feel what I'm saying? I don't know how many views it's on, but I'm pretty sure it's in the tens of mils. You feel what I'm saying? You know, me personally, fam, I've had that song on repeat. However, who else has been popping recently within the past few years? Andrew Tate, Andrew Blood Clot Tate. And guess what else has been popping, people? AI. I know you guys have been hearing a lot of AI covers, yeah. And I've been hearing this like Andrew Tate AI cover thing on TikTok, but I haven't heard the full thing. But guys, long story short, yeah, this is Andrew Tate, yeah. This is how Andrew Tate will sound if he sang Sprinter. I can't wait to get into it, but I don't want to make this intro too long, you feel what I'm saying? But before we get into the video, yeah, hit that subscribe button, also hit that like button. This channel's growing fast, man, so yeah, man, guys, keep showing support. Also follow the Twitch. Without further ado, though, people, let's get straight into the video. I can't wait.
The man them too inconsiderate, 5-star hotel smoking cigarette, mixing Cody and up with a Finnegan. She got thick, but she wouldn't get fit.
Hey, yo, what the hell? I didn't know they was actually gonna show us Andrew Tate, fam. That's kind of scary, you know. Okay.
Mixing Cody and up with a Finnegan. She got thick, but she wouldn't get Finnegan. Drinking apple cider vinegar, wearing skim, cause she wanna be Kim in it.
Alright.
I know they are bad, stop acting innocent. We ain't got generational wealth, it's only a year I've had these millions.
My whip could have been in a Tokyo drift, it's fast and furious.
I went from the Toyota Yaris to yours, they had their charts up. Now this gal want me and no uterus, fuck it, I'm rich, I still did. Took a look at these diamonds, long as a life for squinting, hard to step. We played through thick and thin, she already fixed, I'm halfway there. Brown and bad, could've changed my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters, I just put 9 gal in a sprint.
Hey!
100 meters, I'll fit what SUV. No.
SOS. Somebody rescue me, I got too many, I got the guys asked me the next 2 weeks.
Alright, that same that I dress through, please. SUV, the outside white, the inside brown like Michael Jack. More time and build a line and track. Spend like I don't even like my stack. Pistol came on that Irish cherry, let go and it sound like a tap dance. The way that I bought. No yellow, the ref have to give me a black card. Who's the what we're doing with rap? Man couldn't sell out his show after all them years of doing a cat.
Sprint I
2 gal in her back.
In I
2 men on my line heard one of my things.
they impede 20% or whatever she bags. Outside my head in my hands. Hey, why does Andrew Tate kinda sound sick on this? And why does Andrew Tate low-key suit them clothes as well, blood? This song's kinda hard still.
All them years of doing.
But I can't lie, one thing that I will say though is, bro, why is the instrumental so loud, bro? I don't know if it's just my headphones. True say these headphones are, bro, listen. Man needs to buy new headphones, you know. I can't lie, I think I might have to buy new headphones, car. Bro, the most dingers headphones ever. Don't ever get these headphones, you get me? Like, dingers, bro. Like, I'll be so real, yeah. Like, bro, for some reason, yeah, every time I react to a tune, yeah, it just sounds dingers in these headphones. You get what I'm saying? I don't know if it's just me, yeah. But the instrumental just sounds bare loud, man. But I think it's just me, though.
2 gal in her back. 2 men on my line heard one of my things dated. BDD 20% or whatever she backs. Outside, my head in my hands. I told her my name is Sense. She said no, the one on your birth certificate. Your boyfriend ran from a diamond test cause they white legitimate.
I said diamond.
Said no, the one on your birth certificate. Your boyfriend ran from a diamond test cause they white legitimate. She Turkish Cypriot.
What?
But her car's Brazilian.
What?
I want her.
Bro, what's affiliate?
I'm cheap, still get a chick like yo, can I borrow you on Netflix? She a feminist, she think I'm sexist. Twisting my words, I think she dyslexic. Give me my space, I'm intergalactic. Before I give you my Insta password, I'll give you the pin to my Amex.
Before I give you my Insta password, I'll give you the pin to my Amex. Am I deep in that bar, bro? Listen, the money on my bank account, bro. Listen, the money that's on my card, the money that's on my Amex, bro. That's less important than my Instagram password. That's how you know he's cheating on her, fam. That's how you know he's got bad things on his Instagram, blood.
Say something intergalactic. Before I give you my Insta password, I'll give you the pin to my Amex.
Alright.
They say stainless steel is platinum. To the table I got manners. T-shirt tucked in napkin. Still loaded and that's the caption. I've only amounted a minimal fraction. Eat good, I got indigestion. Best know in my hood, no aspirin. Can't get rid of my pain with aspirin. They just came in the Aston. I'm making that Maybach music. They're trying to insult my intelligence. Sometimes I may act stupid. I never went uni, I've been on like campus selling cocaine to students. If product the drumstick beat, then something gon' leak. We ain't playing exclusives.
Blood clot. Put out the blood clot tune. I put out the blood clot tune now, blood. Are you mad? Man, nah. I'm not even deep in Andrew Tate no more, blood. I'm deep in the tune, fam. If bro let the drumstick beat, then something gon' leak. We ain't playing exclusives. Looking in my eyes now. Look in my eyes when I say this, fam. If bro let the drumstick beat, then something gonna leak. We ain't playing exclusives, dog. We ain't playing exclusives, fam. Am I deep in that bar, blood? Nah, deep it for me. Please deep it. But if bro let the drumstick beat, then something gonna leak. We ain't playing exclusives, bro. Drumstick, leak, exclusives. Deep that bar, fam. Coldest bar this year, bro. I'll be so real.
Can't get rid of my game with aspirin. They just came in the Aston. I'm making that Maybach music. They're trying to insult my intelligence. Sometimes I may act stupid. I never went uni. I've been on like campus selling cocaine to students. If bro let the drumstick beat, then something gon' leak. Me and playing exclusives. Take a look at these diamonds. Long as a life for squinting, hard to stare. We bathe through thick and thin. She already fixed, so I'm halfway there. Brown and fat. Could've changed my mind. I was halfway there. 100 meters. I just put 9 get in a sprint. 100 meters. You don't fit in one SUV. No. SOS. Somebody rescue me, I got 2 million, I got, they can lost me the next 2 weeks. Alright. Like something I just feel plea via for a wife beat. I can't rock with that, I ain't wearing a vest. Now therapy, she got the E-cup bra.
Line her chest.
I'm in Jamaica, Orica vest.
Hit a lick with cash converters.
That don't work, this porn no chest.
I'm doing more and talking less.
I love chilling with broke bitches, man, but one flight and they're all impressed.
What?
I'm in the G63, the car have me like a friend through twisted turns by living for
It's a bad boy tune, you know, people. Bad boy tune. I can't lie, Sprinters, bro. Listen, I can't lie. 2023 has been a slow year for music, fam. But if I had to say what's up there for me, bro, in terms of UK, Sprinters up there, fam. I'll be so real, fam. Bro, Sprinters are bad boy tune, you know, blood. Swear down, fam. Let's put it up one more time, fam. And even with Andrew Tate rapping it, it still sounds hard, fam.
Alright. Like something I just feel plea via for a wife beat. I can't rock with that, I ain't wearing a vest. Man has to send her therapy, she got the E-cup bra, a lot on her chest. I'm in Jamaica, Orica vest. Hit a lip when cash converters, that don't work, this porn no chest. I'm doing more and talking less. I love chilling with broke bitches, man, but one flight and they're all impressed. And I'm in the G63, the car have me like a friend through twists and turns. Man living for Nyash and dying for Nyash is fuck. Don't know which one's what, I'm fucked. Backs in his and hers, what's hers is hers, what's mine is too. That girl's a gold digger, it can't be true, she dated you.
What do you mean that girl's a gold digger, blood? What do you mean she's a gold digger if she dated you, blood? Is she really a gold digger if she dated you? Huh? Your pockets like that, fam? Your pockets really like that? You know them man there, fam? Aye, she's a gold digger, fam. She's a clout chaser. Where's your gold, fam? Where's your clout, fam? You calling the thing a clout chaser, fam, but you got no clout.
Hers is hers, what's mine is too. That girl's a gold digger, it can't be true, she dated you. AP baby blue, papers pink, I probably hate me too. You ever spent 6 figures and stared at bail, look what you made me do. Yeah, I started with a few that are waiting line. Weird, I'm asking my blazer, my white so focused on your Asian side. I know that the Jap boys pay that they get to the clubs and days inside.
Bad boy tune, I can't lie, yeah. Let me be so honest, fam. Man wasn't even paying attention to Andrew Tate, but I was just listening to the tune. This was basically a Sprinter reaction. I'll be so real, fam. But yeah, Sprinter's a bad boy tune, guys. Let me know in the comments down below, yeah, what you think of Sprinter. Also, let me know in the comments down below what you think about whatchamacallit. I don't know, man. Just let me know what you think in it. Comment, subscribe, follow the Twitch. Alright, follow these me, boy, man. Get me.